Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a full AI dance video all from a picture. So all you have to do from the first part is to just go to this website deepfakemaker.io, sign in and go to the video effects section, scroll down and choose the AI dance video generator. Now all you have to do is to choose your image. You can see this particular type. This image is dancing here, so this is because of the template that was chosen, which is lit bound. So we can choose the wave dance and wait for it to start dancing. So we can just choose your image here, and then we can see you can now choose the dance here and then click on generate wave dance or whatever dance I want. So this particular wave dance takes 300 credits for generation. Let's select another dance. So this one takes 400 credits per generation, and this is the chill dance. Let's see how it is. It's not really great. So but there are so many, every dance has its own particular credits generation. So this takes 300, which means that you will not be able to operate this on a free plan, because the free plan gives you about 12 credits, while the this for you to be able to generate these videos, you have to subscribe for their package by clicking on the pricing section here. And that's it guys. So let me know what you guys think about it in the video, in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also please subscribe, as we're actively trying to grow our channel. Thank you very much and do have a great day guys.